Hebrews chapter 6. So let's leave behind the primary school teaching o neteteen and hold on to mere well-seasoned understanding. Dinna let us lay again the founds of truth, having a change in thoughts and feelings, for deeds at led to death. Believe in Almighty, immersion, a laying on of hands, belief in a life to come, on a hindmost judgment. On this will die gin Almighty lose. Van folk have been enlightened. Van they've hid a taste of a heavenly gift. Van they've teen in the pure spirit. Van they've experienced the Gweed word the Almighty. On the powers of a wirl odds to come. And sign, after all that, have found a wa. It's guy near impossible to fest them back again to a change in thoughts and feelings. They're crucifying the Son of Almighty again in their own sentient beings, and subjecting him to open shame. A grun attacks in the rain at's I find on it, and gars a planties grow for them, fashav them, is grun at his a blessing Almighty. But the ground that grows nathan but thistles and Dawkins is on nae value, and sooner or later will be cursed and will end up being burnt. But my friends, though we speak like this till ye, we ken better all youings, and that makes for your salvation. Almighty disna die fits nae fair. He winna forget your work and your labour o' love, in all that ye've done in his name, and looking after your fellow Christians, as ye're aye doing it. We're wintin' ilka een o' ye to shew his same willin', till a hiner rain, say that your hope mith be sure. We dinna wint neen o' ye to shirk, but follow the example of them, for through long-suffering faith, come to hear a promises. For Almighty made his promise to Abraham, 'cause he couldna swear be ony greater. He swore be his ain sel, and he says, "Surely blessing I'll bless ye, and multiplying I'll multiply ye." And sign Abraham, pitting up wi' things for mony a year, von a promise come true. Von ye swear an aith, ye ease while a swear by something greater nor your ain soul. And gin ye pit something on an aith at's ain o' it, nae mere striving, say Almighty, wintin' to shew a yont all doot, at his plan would never be altered, confirmed it wi' an naith. Here sign are 12 things that can never be changed. On the boot fit Almighty can never lie. A word o' Almighty, on the aith o' Almighty, to gie powerful heartening to his five grasp it for refuge, a hope at's a set before his. This hope we had as an anchor to our sentient beings, baith sure and steadfast, and gone through a curtain to fits a yont, to for Jesus his already gien for our sakes, han been made as we've seen, a high priest for all time, o a house o Melchizedek.